We all know that AI is the future, and if you want to invest in AI, then you have to invest in the foundations of AI. Okay, and the foundation of AI is GPU. So what is GPU? GPU is basically a hardware called a graphic processing unit. Okay, and these GPUs are very important for running and training these AI models. Okay, now GPUs were traditionally used for gaming. Okay, for creating some kind of 3D model, or creating some kind of VFX. Okay, some kind of CGI image, and rendering if you want to render something. Okay, for that purposes GPUs were used a lot, but GPUs are so much powerful computers. Okay, these are so much powerful processing units, GPU, that they could be used for not only training the AI models, but also running your AI models on GPU as well. Okay, now in recent times, company like OpenAI has this project called Stargate. Okay, and in this Stargate project they are investing $500 billion. Okay, and in these project they will have 1 lakh GPUs. Okay, for training the AI models, and for running the AI models. So GPU plays a very important part in this AI revolution. Okay, it is just like investing in internet infrastructure when internet got revolutionized. Okay, in the early 2000s. Okay, this is exactly like that, that you can invest in internet infrastructure when internet was booming. Okay, so this is the same thing here as well. That is the same reason companies like Nvidia become so much valuable, because their GPU becomes so much valuable here. Okay, so these kind of companies who create GPU will be very a lot valuable in the future because of AI. Because if you want to run AI models, if you want to train AI models, these GPUs are important. Okay, but once again, don't blindly follow the trend. Okay, just like any other investment, it has its own flaws as well. Research the company properly, research its foundations, research its visions before investing. But the companies who make GPU will be in demand in the future. So do your research properly, and study everything properly regarding the company before making any investment. Okay, so that is your today's video on why you should invest in companies which produce GPUs.